Do you feel like your bathroom ends as soon as it begins? Now, what if the issue is not the size of your bathroom but its interior design? Hi, I'm architect Utsav Kamboj, and in this video, I will spill the secrets that make a small bathroom look bigger without breaking any walls. So, I'll talk about 4 very simple design hacks that will make your bathroom feel twice as big. How does that sound? But first, do hit the subscribe button to get notified about the latest interior design ideas. And now let's begin with the core principle, which is it's all about the look and feel of the bathroom. Say, for example, when you enter a room, you feel certain emotions, but they can't be altered using smart design. This means you can create the illusion of a larger space within a teeny tiny area. And here are 4 design ideas to help you achieve that. Number 1 is bathroom layout. Now, the key to bathroom design, especially the smaller ones, is efficient space planning. It all begins by separating the dry area, wash basin and WC, from the wet area, which is the shower. And in every bathroom, the dry area comes first, followed by the wet area. That's a simple thumb rule. Now, even in small bathrooms, it is ideal to have a clear division between the dry and the wet areas. That's right. For this, you can use a frameless toughened glass so that the entire space feels like a single unit even after partitioning. Another tip when you're doing the layout is to switch the openable shutter door with a sliding door. It's the most underrated space saving hack that can improve your bathroom circulation. Now, after you've locked the position of the sanitary ware and the faucets, it's also important to plan your storage. वो कैसे करते हैं? A major reason bathrooms feel cluttered is that the people stack their toiletries on the countertop. यही होता है हमारे साथ. But you can spare yourself that horror of integrating storage areas like wall niches and vanity in your layout. So a wall niche is basically a depression in the wall that you can use to put different toiletries in different areas of the bathroom. For example, you can have a niche in the shower area to keep your body and hair care essentials. The second place can be above the WC ledge wall, which is the half-height wall that conceals your flush tank. You can also design this area as a closed shelving. The third unusual spot for a niche is behind the wall mirror, which can act as a slidable or openable shutter for the niche. It can also give your wall a seamless appearance while hiding all the clutter. Finally, let's talk about vanity. Now, to make the most of your bathroom area, the best location for a vanity is right below the wash basin countertop. I'm sure you know that. Here again, the concept of illusion will play its part. How? So instead of placing your vanity on the floor, you can have a floating vanity, which is basically wall hung, to create the impression of a larger floor space. Now, on number 2, we have wall and flooring tiles. So first, let's talk about the flooring tiles. So it is ideal to go for larger tiles, 2 by 4 feet or 4 by 4 feet. The reason here is that when we see larger tiles, our mind believes that the space that we are using is also larger. Additionally, fewer tile jointeries create the illusion of a bigger carpet area. As a designer, I prefer rectangular tiles because their verticality adds more depth to the space. I try to use 6 by 4. It's just a bias. You can achieve this by laying the longer side of the tile along the length of the bathroom. In terms of color and finishes, you can select a shade of white, cream. Since pastel colors reflect light, that makes the room appear larger. Also, you can avoid selecting tiles with busy patterns such as 3D tiles that can lead to accidents and injuries and confusion. So, a lot of people make this mistake of having different tiles in their dry area and wet area. Now, the issue here is that by doing so, you visually separate the two areas, making them appear like they are two small spaces instead of one large bathroom. So, it is ideal to continue the same flooring tile throughout the bathroom. Now, let's move on to the wall tiles. For this, you will have to select a combination of 2 to 3 tiles, from which one is your base tile, the second is your complementary tile, and the third is your accent tile. अब क्या होते क्या है? So the base tiles have neutral colors and cover about 70% of the wall surface area, the standard being 2 by 4 or 4 by 4 feet tiles, the best suited for this purpose. Next are complementary tiles that are either match or contrast the base tiles, and they can go up to 20 to 25% of the wall area. And the last one is the accent tiles, which create a statement of focal point, which should be 5 to 10% of the wall surface area. To make smaller bathrooms look bigger, you can select a base and complementary tile that blend with each other. Also, just like the flooring, use light color tiles on the wall with fewer patterns. They make the space appear larger. For example, combinations like pastel blue and white, soft beige and cream, taupe and off-white are best suited for smaller bathrooms. Now, talking about the accent tiles, you can use fish scale, Kit Kat or mosaic tiles to break the monotony of lighter colors but in a small area. But since these tiles are small, you should avoid using them ideally because, there's a lot of grouting and then, it takes a lot of maintenance. I think you can even replace the smaller tiles with larger slab like natural stone, granite, marble, quartz, and even travertine. Their fine veins and patterns can give your bathroom a very understated, luxurious appeal. On number 3, we have fittings and fixtures. Now, this includes your sanitary ware, your faucets, and your fixtures. For smaller bathrooms, having all the faucets on one wall simplifies the plumbing and it reduces the costing also. Plus, the absence of any faucets make the other walls look more organized. Now here again, the norm is to keep the floor space as free as possible to create the perception of larger floor area. For the WC, you can opt for a wall-mounted model with a concealed flush tank in the ledge wall. This will help you avoid crowding and maintain seamlessness without any objects jutting on the floor. Also select a WC in shades of white to blend it with the lighter color scheme of the bathroom. Don't go with black. Don't go with black ever. Now for the wash basin, it is good to have a countertop or half pedestal variation. In both the cases, the pipes can be integrated into the wall directly, which will help you clear up the floor space. And when it comes to the faucets and shower heads, minimalism should be your friend. You can go for a sleek geometric model that will help you avoid making the wall look very confusing or very bold and gaudy. Also, let's be honest, no one uses so many shower mechanisms every day, सब वही एक shower use करते हैं. The mantra should be to keep it simple. However, you can explore your creativity with the colors of the finishes. There are a lot of matte and metallic options, stainless steel faucets, chrome, bronze. A lot of beautiful finishes are coming that bring an element of sophistication in your bathroom. However, these finishes are 1.5 to 2 times more expensive than the stainless steel finishes because they're powder coated to achieve that desired aesthetic. Jaquar, Kohler, Cera, Roca, Grohe are some leading brands in India that offer comprehensive bathroom solutions that you can check out. On number 4, we have light and ventilation, and the biggest issue with small bathrooms is the lack of light and ventilation, which makes it look smaller. The reason being, all bathrooms are prone to moisture and foul odors, which can make them feel suffocating. Now, the best way to deal with it is to bring natural light and air into the space using a ventilation window. It's a must. The sunlight will act as a natural disinfectant and abate the growth of molds or mildew. But if your bathroom does not have external wall, you can install an exhaust fan or an inline fan to maintain the air flow within. For exhaust fans, you can check out the catalog of Havells, Crompton, and Orient Electric. And for inline fans, you can check Siska, V-Guard, Airflow. These are the top brands in India. If you want to go for energy efficient way, then you can also check out the fans from Solaris and Greenhouse. You can also invest in the portable dehumidifier to remove excess moisture from the indoor air. And speaking of lighting, it is good to have multiple light sources in your bathroom. Trust me on this. For example, you can have 2 ceiling lights in the bathroom to ensure that all corners are well lit and clearly visible. Also, if you have a cove lighting in your false ceiling, you can install an LED strip light in a warm undertone. This is also something I've done for my master bathroom in my home. It helps you want to avoid the harsh ceiling light, especially when you're using the bathroom at night. Okay, so now you can install focus lights on both sides of the wall mirror to enhance the visibility and the beauty of the bathroom. You can also, the light bouncing off the mirror can also make the bathroom feel bright and airy. So I'll give you a bonus tip here, which is to customize your wall mirror so that it extends from false ceiling to the countertop. Or you can also extend the mirror on the adjacent walls like this. So this design hack is used in a lot of hotels and lobbies as a reflection makes a space feel bigger. And now let's just do a quick summary. Irrespective of its size, any bathroom can feel bigger if it looks more spacious, clean and organized. And just like I told you in the start of this video, it's all about the look and feel. Now, if you like these design hacks or if you have any questions about bathroom design, let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer your questions. Do like, save and share this video and anyone who's renovating their bathroom or their home for that matter. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel because here I'll tell you everything that is brewing in the world of interior and architecture design. Bye.